No, well, you're in some boxers, girl. No. As much as you're thick and the kitty is fat, you're still in some boxers. You're thick, you're bad, but the kitty looking fat, but you're in some boxers. And I'm not even going to rate the pic because you're in some boxers. If it was my boxers you were in now, you understand what I'm trying to say? But nah, I'm not even going to rate the pic. You're thick as hell. The kitty is super, super fat. Look at, oh, Lord. Scroll. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs. I'm back with another banger video for you guys. Now, right now, people, we said so. Where we at again? I think we're in Guyana again. Yeah, we're back in Guyana right now. Now, the last time we just touched on in Guyana. A lot of drama happened in the comment section. A lot of drama happened on Instagram. But guess what? Be able to yourself. We do these videos for entertainment purposes only. We're not here to judge anybody. We're here to entertain the people and keep people safe during the quarantine. They don't know the coronavirus. It's right. Not even talk about that. People, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. This is the most lit channel on YouTube right now. We're going to take over trying to reach 30,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So please smash that subscribe button in the face, like boom. You know what I mean? Like subscribe. Subscribe and watch the ads. You don't know, chap. Right now, people, we're finna be rating another Guyanese baddie. Beautiful Indian. beautiful. What's her name? I can't even pronounce her name to how she's beautiful, guys. That's how beautiful she is. But screen record on this. Wait. Like this video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and recommend some more females you want me to see me rate, smash, all that good stuff down below in the comment section. All right. Now let's get straight to this one right now. Screen record on the stream, bam. On the screen, bam. Now, I can't even pronounce her name, bruh. Poonam. Ain't gonna spoil it. It's on the screen, y'all know it. You can go follow her. Go. Let's take her to the first pick right now. Let's see what's popping. Bam. Okay. Lord of mercy. Oh, wow. Now this one looks real. Okay. See what's popping over here. Okay. I like the pic. Caption: people only throw shade on what truly shines. Oh Lord. Alright. You know what? We ain't gonna do all the extra today. We giving this pic right here. This lovely pic of this beautiful lady that I'm looking at right here. I'm giving this pic 8. Yep. She getting an 8. Let's go. Cute little selfie. 8. It looks like it's gonna be 8. It's like 8 is gonna be her number for the rest of this video. But let's go. See, fully clothed. I love this. I love that. Oh yeah, baby. I love that. She's actually thick, low key. She in the black, but yeah. I'm just realizing this. Okay. I see you, Guyana. 8 is your number, though. You gotta really do something very outrageous to catch my attendance. You know your number. Girl. You know your number. Hold up. I love this. This is a 10. I love this. Let me see inside. Look how we're gonna fasten the car now. She didn't know we can do this. And look at the window. See what's in there. See if you had a dude in your car, we would have seen that dude. I would have seen that other dude in the car. But anyways, this pic is a 10. I like the fit. I like them shoes. Them shoes hit. Looks a little bigger than your feet, though. No cap. Anyways, that's a 10 right there. I love that fit. Let's go. What's going on here? She sings? Alright, we ain't finna watch it. We rating the pictures. I'm sorry. I'll check back on that later. Let's go. She reads too. I don't like that pic though. You can have a 7 for that one. Let's go. Oh, you can have a 7 for that one too. 7. Oh, well, you're in some boxers, girl. No. As much as you're thick and the kitty is fat, you're still in some boxers. You're thick, you're bad, but the kitty looking fat, but you're in some boxers. And I'm not even gonna rate the pic because you're in some boxers. If it was my boxers you were in now, you understand what I'm trying to say? But nah, I'm not even gonna rate the pic. You're thick as hell. The kitty is super fat. Look at, oh Lord, scroll.
What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas.
She beautiful. Let's go though. That's not a pic.
I hope you never lose your sense of wonder.
I won't. She got a beautiful voice. Is she an artist? We have to Miss Boss and Night Black Man song. Will do. Okay. Boy, that kitty. 8 is your number. Let's go. Waiting for to be all. Okay. I'm gonna give you a 9 for that. We got the same phone. Don't get it twisted. I'll give you a 9 for that though. Looking great. You bad now. Yeah, you bad. You can keep my 10 again. You back on track. We back on. That's a 10 for me, guys. Let's go. Okay. Gym fit. Okay. I'll give you a 9 for that.
Need no filter. Go just make him drop dead. You're a killer.
She got a beautiful voice. Aww. Beautiful smile too. Oh, it's an 8 though. That's another 8. I love that. I like that. That's a 10. I love that look. I love that. I love it. We love it. That's a 10 right there. Let go. Alright. I'm gonna give you an 8 for that one. Let go. Ooh. Show us that you got that cake. That ass. Why am I talking to these damn Americans? Calling girls' booties cake and shit. I need to make a video about this, you know. It's getting from bad to worse. Let's go. That's a 9 right there, though. Oh, Lord. Wait, haven't I seen this girl somewhere before? I think I know this girl's... Oh, okay. That's a 9, though. Let go. I like that. I do like that. That's another 9 right there. Let go. Red on red. That's an 8, though. And I'm not... Nah. Oh, there we go. Show us how you go. That's an 8, though. She got a beautiful voice. I actually know the song. Ooh, this big bad. That's a. I like that. Shout out to the photographer. That's a 10. That's a 10. I like that pic there. I like that pic. That's a 7. Oh Lord, no. Oh Lord. What happened to old dude? You good, bro? Alright. Oh, I love that. Classy. With friends. Whose birthday? March 1st. What is going on? That's how you keep that body in. Okay, from the kid you've been doing that. Okay, great. 7. Another pick. Oh. Bruh, when I say I'm so shocked, bruh, look at this. I didn't see that there was an apple. Like, you know, she was just doing up. Let's scroll. 7. Okay. Yeah. I think I've been here for long enough now, okay? I think I've been here for long enough. I'm gonna behave myself. As you can see, we don't only rate people that's half naked. She has clothes on in her pics and she looks damn good. I like it. I like it a lot. Say shout out to her. You guys can go follow her. Shout out to Guyana as usual. You don't know a chat. Big up everybody about Guyana. The Guyanese people, them outside. And the Russian boss signing out. Peace.